Hi guys. Okay, so I am a quilter and I love applique. My mom and I do applique together. So I have Juki. I have Juki sewing machines. I have a DX2000 QVP, and I also have the Juki TX18 QVP. So I have two of them. One's a straight stitch and one is a big old, you know, has 250 different settings, you know. So Juki Junkies is what they're called. You guys, I can't recommend Juki enough. I was a Janome girl. Juki is so amazing. It really is. It's so amazing. But I'm part of the Juki Junkies Facebook group, and they were advertising that they do 10 spools of their glide thread for it's $38.99, but there's shipping, so $6.99, so total is $45.98 for 10 spools of thread. Now that averages out to, I think, $4.60 a spool. So but you're guaranteed, is what I've been told, they give you a little cabochon. How cute. So just put a little magnet on the back and you can use it for an ear cross stitch or anything you want to. You're guaranteed not to get repeats. So it's 10 spools a month. They have a five spools. These are called minis. 5 spool subscription, and that's cheaper. I chose to do the 10, and like I said, it's $45.98. That's what it will be every month. But I am an appliquer, and I am an appliquer who likes color coordinating my fabric. So if my applique pattern is a pumpkin, I will get the orange, and it's an orange pumpkin. I'll get the orange thread, and I will do the it's not buttonhole. It's, I can't remember what the terminology of it is called, because it's always been buttonhole, because that's what my mom calls it, but it's not buttonhole. I can't remember what it's called, but either way, it's the zigzag kind of thing. And so I will use the orange one to do my pumpkin. My mom does pure black. She loves black on her applique for everything. So basically what I'm trying to get at is I did this subscription because I want a variety, because I color match, and so that's why I went with them. And this glide is so gorgeous. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. This glide is so pretty, and this is what I've been using since I got my Jukis. It's a 40 weight. So it is a, let me see if I can do the sock glass. This one's Persian. It's a glide fabric, and yeah, so, but it's a 40 weight, which the Jukis prefer more of the lower, the 40 weight than the 50 weight cotton. So I'm okay with that. But oral fill is what a lot of quilters use. I can't afford that. I can't afford oral fill. So where this is a mini spool, and on their website they sell them for $4.99 a piece. So, where the Aurifil is like $12 for a quarter of this. And I'm sure it's great. I'm sure it's, I mean, I wish I could get it, but I can't. So I'm going to just stick with what I can get and not worry about it. And this is perfectly fine. This is beautiful. This is beautiful thread. So by the end of the year, I should have 120 different ones. Crossing my fingers. They said no repeats, so we'll see. But anyways, I just wanted to, I'll link it down below. But yeah, this is my new subscription, you guys. So we'll see more of it next month. All right, guys, take care. Bye.